Hello, and welcome to this preview of D-Mart's color kit for Gerber Omega and Inkscape. In the full tutorial video that comes with the color kit, fills, and test files, these instructions are quite detailed and the video is approximately 40 minutes long. It won't take you more than a few minutes to color a design once you get the hang of it, and this brief preview is designed to give you a look at what to expect from the color kit files and companion video. In the color kit tutorial, you will learn how to locate and download Inkscape, set up your workspace, open the drawing you created in Gerber Omega, load your Granite colors and textures, select portions of your drawing and apply polish, frost, and rock pitch, select other portions of your drawing to add the sandblasted finish or litho. You'll also learn how to apply background images, import your logo, and create a contract with lines and date for approval dates and signatures. Once your drawing is colored, you'll learn how to print your design and export your work as an image and as a PDF for easy emailing for customer approval. We will also touch on the creation of designs with a dimensional effect, and we'll show you how easy it is for a novice to create color renderings for approval and stencil cutting using our online monument designer. Please feel free to contact D-Mart if you have any questions. We look forward to hearing from you.